I feel sad because I miss you. Can you tell me why you are hurt? I hear you. You saw me with Leo, and you felt alone.
That morning, Jace thought he still had his best friend, but Ben was already hiding their friendship sign.
Ben? Why did you put the bracelet away? We always wear it at school. I have to go now. You should go find your new friend. New friend? I do not understand. Ben is my best friend. Today I will give Ben this bracelet because we are best friends and rocket partners. Ben is almost here. We always meet before class, and we always do our secret handshake. Jace, I waited all morning for our rocket game. Today we can make the best mission. Yes, we are the rocket team, and nothing can stop us today. This one is yours. When we wear these, everyone knows we are best friends. I will wear it all day. This is our team sign, and I will keep it safe. You two look like tiny astronauts again. Please do not crash into the lockers. Excuse me. I am new here. I do not know where I should sit. You can sit near me. I know this class, and I can help you today. Jace is helping him a lot, but maybe that is only because Leo is new. Thank you, Jace. I was scared no one would talk to me today. Do not worry. You can stay with me until you know the school better. Stay with him? Maybe Jace already has a new school partner. The playground is this way. I can show you, and then I will find Ben for our game. He is showing Leo the playground first. Maybe I am not first anymore. Ben, I found you. Are you ready for our rocket game now? You can play with Leo. You were busy with him, so maybe that is better. I only helped him because he is new. I still want to play with you. It is okay. I do not want to play right now. Did I make Ben sad? I do not know what I did wrong. Jace never stands alone after break. Something is wrong with him and Ben. Ben, please wait. I want to know why you are not talking to me. He heard me. I know he heard me, but he still walked away. Jace, did I do something wrong? Ben looks sad when he sees me. No, Leo, you did nothing wrong. I think Ben is angry with me. I only wanted help on my first day. I did not want to hurt your friendship.
They are talking again. I should not care, but my chest feels heavy.
Last year, my old friend found new friends, and then he stopped waiting for me. Maybe it is happening again. I do not want to feel left behind. You are very quiet today. Did Ben still not talk to you? He talks a little, but his words feel far away from me.
You do not look happy today, Jace. Tell me what happened. I am listening.
Ben did not want to play with me. He said I should play with Leo. What happened before Ben got quiet? Small things can make big feelings. A new boy came to class. His name is Leo, and I helped him find a seat.
Helping a new student is kind, but Ben may have seen only one part.
But I did not leave Ben. I just helped Leo because he looked scared. Maybe Ben did not see your kind heart. Maybe he only saw you walk with Leo.
So Ben thinks I do not want him as my best friend now?
Let us slow down and look carefully. Friendship problems need soft hands.
This is our small mystery board. We will use heart, questions, and listening.
First clue. You gave Ben a friendship bracelet, so this day started happy.
Second clue. Leo came, and Ben may have had a question inside his heart.
To you, Leo was one more friend. To Ben, Leo may have looked like a new place for you.
I wanted Leo to feel safe, but I never wanted Ben to feel alone.
Then tomorrow, do not start with blame. Start with how you feel.
You can say, I feel sad because I miss you. Can you tell me why you are hurt?
I feel sad because I miss you. Can you tell me why you are hurt? When a friend feels far away, do not push harder. Ask softly and give space. What if Ben walks away again? I do not want my words to fall on the floor.
If he walks away, you stay kind. A brave talk sometimes needs more than one try.
Here is your brave note. It means speak, listen, and stay kind.
Tomorrow, I will not guess. I will ask Ben and listen to him.
Speak, listen, and stay kind. I can remember this, even if I feel nervous.
Your voice can be small and still be brave. You do not need to sound perfect.
Here is your lunch. When your heart feels worried, take one slow breath first.
I will be near the hall, but this is your talk. You can do it.
Ben is not wearing the bracelet. That hurts, but I will still be kind. Ben, can we talk for 1 minute? I feel sad, and I want to understand. I have to go. You can talk to Leo, because he is your friend now. Leo is my friend, but that does not make you less important to me. He did not push. Good job, Jace. Now Ben needs time to hear it.
Jace, are you okay? Your face looks like a rainy window.
I tried to talk to Ben, but he thinks you took his place.
I did not want his place. I only wanted one person to help me feel safe.
I know. You did nothing bad. This is a feeling problem, not a bad friend problem.
The next clue was clear. Ben was not only angry, Ben was scared and lonely.
I do not want to be the old friend again, the one people forget.
Speak, listen, stay kind. I will try one more time, but I will not force him. Ben, I will not make you talk, but I need to say one true thing.
Say it, but please do not laugh at me, because I already feel bad. I feel sad because I miss you. Can you tell me why you are hurt? When Leo came, you helped him, walked with him, and smiled with him. I hear you. You saw me with Leo, and you felt alone. Last year, my old friend got new friends, and then he stopped waiting for me. So when you saw me with Leo, it felt like that sad thing was happening again? Yes, I felt silly, so I got quiet. Then I made you sad too. I am sorry I did not see your face. I should have checked on you. I am sorry too. I should have told you, not walked away. Leo can be my new friend, but you are still my best friend. Can we still keep our rocket handshake just for us? Yes. Some things can be just ours, and some games can welcome more friends. Rocket Team is back, but this time I will talk when my heart feels bad. I can wait here. I do not want to make anything worse. Leo, you can come. Ben and I talked, and we want to start again. Ben, I am sorry you felt low. I did not want to take your place. Thank you. I was scared, but I know you only needed a friend. Mission Rule 1. No friend gets left behind, and everyone can say how they feel. Rocket Team is ready, and today we have one more pilot with us.
That smile means the mystery is solved. Did you save the friendship?
Jace learned that a new friend does not take away an old friend, but quiet hearts need brave words to stay close.